Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome to Wedding in a Pinch. Like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see today, I have a Minted box. Minted sells holiday cards, wedding invitation, save the dates, menus, and everything else. I have ordered the 10 free samples that they offer. You don't get a whole set. You don't get the whole customization, but with the sample you can see if you like the design before you spend your money on it, which I like. And some companies, not all, but some do offer samples. Also, the thing I liked about Minted was they told me my package was going to come November 22nd. Today is Monday the 14th of November, so I liked that it came a little bit earlier than what I expected. The emails and the process of, hey, your stuff has shipped out. The communication was great. You do have to set up a site though when you are doing the samples, just so they can have your information. But other than that, it's good. I had no issues. The tracking was good. The communication was awesome. I've had Minted before and I liked their stuff, but I never ordered samples. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm unboxing them with you guys for the first time. Only thing I did was take off the little package in the back because I didn't want to tear it on camera. And it's a nice sturdy little box so your stuff don't get damaged. Oops, I flipped it too hard. If you guys can tell, I am under the little weather a little bit. I don't know what's going on with me. It says Minted is proud to deliver independent designs to you. So they do have some independent artists that they are working with. And this is the little piece I tear off just to make it easier for me to hold because my tripod got broken. So Ashley's doing this with one hand. So if I sound broken or a little sick, I live in Michigan. It's getting flipping cold and it is winter. But we will keep moving, keep progressing, and happy wedding planning. Now, enough Ashley talking. Since I'm one-handed, I'm just going to try to shake. Shake it ain't working. Maybe if I bend the flat back. Oh, I see a pink box, y'all. I love pink. Pink is like my ultimate favorite color. Black too, but I've been told multiple times black is not a color. Black is a shade. Give me a minute, guys. I'll be back. So I got it out. It did take a little tuggle, but I got it out. As you can see, the package that came in is a little dented, but I'm not sure if that's due to my mail carrier or what, because it did come in standard mail. So keep that in mind when you're ordering these. These are coming to your mailbox, and they're samples. So keep an eye out. Definitely if you live in a state that gets snow, I'm just moving the box over. Keep an eye out so that way your stuff don't get too wet. Now let's open it. Oh, this is a little thick. Thick, not too thick, but good enough. You can reuse this box. Ooh. Okay, Minted. I see you. I see you. It says your big day begins here. So I did order a few designs that I like. It's nicely flat. This is deep. So give me 1 second, you guys. So it does come with a little packet over here. Welcome, congratulations letter for you can read. Let's see what else it comes. I have ordered Minted before, but I am married. So it's been a little while since I've had to order wedding invitations. Okay, why choose Minted for weddings? They give you a little bit of an insight why to choose them. Unique design by independent artists, complete customization, luxury quality, your style from start to finish. Ooh, I like that. Okay, what else? What else is in this little envelope? Yep, it's just a little envelope. If you guys can see, it's nice, pretty painted. There's nothing on the... Oh, there's something on the back. It says Minted. So, yeah, Minted website. So, you can make a website with them. The basic, you get... Here, I'm going to move it up close for you guys to see. So, discover 100 unique wedding websites. So, you can always make your own website for your guests to come back to. Sorry about my ashy ass hand, you guys. I was doing dishes all day. So this just gives you guys a little bit of what they offer on their website and how you can use it. And then flip it over the back. I'll leave it for you guys to read it for a minute. What else they got? Cause when I did my wedding invitations, I did all in ones. Okay, so yeah, create complete coordinating look from start to finish. So you got invitation formats, silhouette shapes, complete suits. So they offer all of this. What's on the back? Envelopes, matching day essentials, coordinate favors and gifts. Minted has came a long way, and I actually love them. If I wasn't a type person when I got married, I would have went with Minted. Okay. Old techniques meet Minted. Oh, foil and gloss options. I'm gonna give a little tilt for you guys to see that they're all different. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. I'm reading along with you guys. Doing this one-handed is kind of hard because I know sometimes I can be out of focus. Color options, letterpress print design. Okay, this is just showing you what they have. Hundreds of fronts. And that came in this little envelope. Now, I was able to pick the designs I wanted. So, I have a pack here. And I have a pack here. So, first what I'm going to do is see what's in this little envelope. Right here. Because I don't want to miss out on any information for you guys. Lux Museum Board. Common use colors. Okay. As a budget bride, it's good to know that they have some of the common colors. And this is the thickest of their paper. Oh, so this is just basically giving you the feel of their paper. I tell you guys, I am opening this right along with you. So some of this stuff I have to kind of let register in my head. So this just tells you right here, where my finger underlined, the paper marks at Mohawk, and then the poundage, which is the weight of the paper, and the point of the thickness. So it's pretty flexible. So I'm going to bring this one a little closer for you guys to see this one. What else is in here? Okay, so they let you feel all the different thickness of papers they have. Double thick paper. Yes, I'm going to hold it a little bit for you guys can read them. I like that they have different weights, because that way if you're shipping it to other places, you know that it will hold in the mailbox. It's not just going to crumble if it gets wet, dropped, or debris. $110 is what they carry in normal craft stores. So if you get this one, it's basically the same as craft store cardstock. Again, sorry for my crusty hands. I haven't been doing dishes all day. I forgot to lotion before I came on camera. I thought I was going to be doing a short, but this is too beautiful. So I'm going to make a little long video today. Y'all don't usually get to hear Ashley's voice. And Ashley somehow has become underneath the weather. Oh, these are envelope colors. Even more options to customize your wedding from outside in. Okay. I am pausing a little bit so you guys can read and see what they offer. just understand if you add anything or customize a lot, your invitations are going to be high. So as a budget bride, you do have to take that in consideration. That's all the information they sent me. Now, let's get into it. I actually picked some good stuff for you guys. So it says, see the mint difference. Your choice, your chance to experience a luxe paper printing firsthand with hand-picked sample your unique designs. Turn each design over for more details. Okay, and then they give me a little gift code. So, I don't know. I did not tell them that I was doing this video, so this is not sponsored, you guys. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I personally did not tell them that I was doing this, so I do not know if that gift code will work with everybody, but it's a gift code. I'm not going to use it. And this is just what they had on their website. So I got a basic invitation. It came with the band, which I like. It's nice and detailed. It's cardstock, but it matches. So basically, when your guests get this, it'll be your invitation, your RSVP, all wrapped up in a band. And what they do is, you take the band off, or you can glue the band together if you want. And you have the invitation, which I like this because of the floral and the AM, which is the first initials of their name. And it's just standard cardstock. There's no designs on the back. And then it's a detail card with it as well. So you could put down, like if you have hotels for your guests, you could put that on a detail card. You could put, if you have a different location for your reception, bridal information. You can even put your website if you're doing one on there. And this is the RSVP card. So you have your menu option on this, accepting or not accepting. I picked this because I loved the border. And that's a simple set. And it comes with a band. So this set is one. Here go the other set that I decided to show you guys, because they have hundreds of sets. And this one comes with a band as well to hold everything together, so when you put in that envelope, it won't slip and slide everywhere. Again, you can just glue it. Look at that. It's like a smoky mountain. It has some gold texture to it. Because with Minted, you can take your invitations and let them match your website. So if you do a website with Minted, you can match your invitations. This is a pretty one. It has like a gold frill around the corner. I've been doing shorts so long, guys, that my tripod and lights are broken. Right? I have a 4-year-old, so she just trampled over them one day. So my lighting is not the best. So I might be pulling it up a little bit, and you guys might get to see the dry ass hands today. And different designers are designing these invitations with Minted. So you can always pick a designer you like and style. And this one comes with a detail card again. Because with the sample, you can pick if you want to see the whole set. And they will send you the whole set. So you can see if you like the print and the design. And that's what I like about Minted. Other sites do offer samples, but you have to pay for them, or the shipping is ridiculous to get them. So always be aware of that. My backdrop dropped, so we're just going to come down here. This is more the modern. I got different kinds so you guys can fill it out. This is more the modern invitation. This one is more whimsical, I would say, with the type of design. Again, it comes with a band. I'm going to flip this one over. And this one does have stuff on the back. And it says, thank you for your sample order of Rusted Love. And that's the name of the person that designed this. And they show you the other colors it's available in. And the thickness it's printed on. So if you like this design, that's all that information. And these are the directions. And I know a lot of you guys like, Ashley, what about Anne's Bargain Bridal? Well, I love them, but I'm not getting married, so I'm not going to order anything from them because their stuff comes in sets. And it's just, I like this one because it gives you a modern feel with an old twist to it. If you actually see some of the older wedding invitations, they actually printed them out in newspapers, and there used to be cowboys in the streets ringing a bell, letting everyone in town know that you were getting married. And it was a simple invitation, kind of like this, in the newspaper, and the whole town was invited. That's why I like this one. Again, it shows you different colors, what is printed on, for you can order if you like. RSVP. I got two more. Yep, two more. I'm going to show you guys the design of them. I'm not going to do too much talking. My voice is starting to hurt. So that slipped out of here. Now, I got a full set of that one. Y'all guys go get a little close up. I'm sorry. So that one came with a band and RSVP, the beautiful invitation, two invitations actually. The other invitation, so they sent me a double, okay, and the detail card. Now, this is Ashley's favorite invitation, y'all. Y'all know Ashley talks about all-in-ones all the time. This is an all-in-one invitation. All thing you do with these is fold them up, send them in the mail, return address, you're good. That's all-in-one is. Thank you guys for doing this unboxing with me. Happy wedding planning. Take a deep breath. You got it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, you guys.